Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you on how you can create this floral typography. So it's super easy to do, and let's see how that's done. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a new document. To do that, I'll be going to File, clicking on New. Okay. So for this video, I will be sticking to this 1000 by 1000 pixels document, and I will be giving a name to my document as well called the Floral Typography. And okay. So you're free to choose any size document as you want. It's not necessary that you have to stick with the same format as I am. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is I'll open this image of this floral plant, right? So you can open up actually any image of flowers as you like, or like that. Okay, I'll scale this down and bring it to my document right here. Okay, I'll keep this on the top for now, and I'll go ahead and close that one. Okay, so I'll be typing out one letter. So I'll use my text type tool, click on my document, and this time instead of the letter G, I will be using the letter B, and I'll highlight this, and I will be using this preloaded text font style provided by Adobe Illustrator, which is called Gabriola, and I will be using this second font style, and increasing my font size to 200 like that. Okay, I'll select this letter and I'll change the fill from black to white, and right click on this and create outlines like that. So once that's done, I can just click and hold Shift plus Alt and drag my letter to be a little bit more bigger, and just drag it right on top of my floral plant right here. So I'll bring this forward a little bit more. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'll be creating certain outlines with the help of the pen tool. I'll make sure that there is no fill and there is no stroke as well. And we can just go ahead and start making our outline. Yeah, make sure that there is no fill or stroke. You'll see that in a moment soon. And just go ahead and make such types of outline. So you'll have to zoom in and make sure that you are doing it properly. Try and cover as much as you can without leaving much space. This is a little tricky to use, but the pen tool actually helps me to cover majority of my area like that. You'll have to zoom in, zoom out to see which portions you want to keep, which portions you do not wish to keep. Like that. And like this. You need a little patience. So I'm doing it very roughly as of now, but I will be editing this and making sure that I have covered enough grounds, and once this rough outline is made, I can go ahead and close it right there. Now, similarly, I will be making some more outlines. I'll come over here to this side and keep selecting such. Yep. Keep selecting all these points. So you can actually speed up the process, like, you know, if you want, you can just speed up this part, but you'll get the idea that I'm just trying to get like a rough thing. So once that's done, we can go ahead and now this time I'll be making sure that the fill is there to be white. Yeah, it's okay if like, you know, we can go ahead and also fill it in with color actually. Choose this, fill it in with white, and yeah, go back to the pen tool actually, and I'll keep selecting some more portions from this middle one as well. And so the reason why I'm also selecting everything, all this, is because I want certain portions of this flower to come onto my letter, right? So just keep going, getting it like that. And one more over here, and close like that. So let's go ahead, and also I'll be adjusting this a little bit like that. I'll zoom in, making sure that I've covered up almost everything. So there's like very little portion that is being shown. Round this off. So let's go ahead and add more anchor points for me to edit like that. Go back to the direct selection tool. Nope. And just drag. So you can add anchor points where you feel it's necessary that you have to cover more ground, but the current anchor points don't really suffice, and like that you could just drag the anchor points like that. Over here as well, select this, drag, and just drag this one. Okay, so let's see. I think I've covered up almost everything, all the area. Just like last minute, I'll add another anchor point right here. And use the direct selection tool to actually cover as much ground as possible. That. Okay, I'll just check the other portion as well. I'll zoom in. Yeah, I'll select this anchor point, get it over here, and Probably get this anchor point and drag it down there. Drag this one like that. Just these minute things actually will take you a little bit more time to cover up as much ground as possible. Probably want to round off some edges. Like that. And okay. So once that's done, I'll zoom out and I'll select everything by clicking on to Shift and coming here to the Pathfinder panel and clicking on Unite. So once that's done, actually, I'll select both of these, the white shaded part and the floral picture. Go to Object, Clipping Mask and Make. And there you go. So as you can see, whichever area that we had selected gets blended into, actually gets masked with the letter like that. So that's what I was saying. So the more area you cover, the more finish is going to be there. But you get the idea. So like that. So once that's done, we can go ahead and save our file as well. To do that, we'll be going to File, Save As, and by default, I will be saving my file in the name of Floral Typography, the same name as my document. And the Save As type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. So by default, it's going to be in this format only. So just in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily access my Adobe Illustrator file and click on Save and OK. And that's it. Our floral typography is now ready. So you can actually try the same effect with different photographs as well. It can be of a plant, it can be of a different flower, it can be of any type of image, and then try it with proper words. Try the same effect with letters, different letters as well. So thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video to be useful. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.